Want to make your text appear behind objects like this? Before we start, I want to quickly share something. For this editing process, I'm using the FuryCube IP98 wired/wireless keyboard, which really helps during video editing. This keyboard coming with free mode connection, 16.8mm color backlight, premium PBT keycaps, multifunction intelligent AI knob, available in 9 color variations. It helps improve editing speed and workflow, especially when using shortcuts and timeline navigation. If you're interested, you can check the yellow card for more information. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, import your photo or video into the timeline. Make sure you set the video ratio and remove original audio if needed. Next, add text and customize it based on your preference. Then add an animation to the text. Here I'm using squeeze animation and adjust the duration. Next, duplicate the main video and place it above the text layer. Then click Remove Background and select Auto Removal. Wait until the process finishes. After that, play the video to preview the result. Now your text will appear behind the object, creating a more professional and cinematic look. And that's it. You've successfully created text behind object effect. In the next tutorial, we'll learn more professional editing tricks. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.